Greetings, everyone. Allow me to introduce myself and my channel. My name is Anatoly, a software architect and developer with 35 years of Silicon Valley experience. I've designed and implemented frameworks, programming languages, databases, virtual machines, and business solutions. In recent years, my focus has been primarily on helping businesses of all walks of life take advantage of AI to achieve tangible improvements, such as major cost cuts, effort reduction, and lowering the risks, way beyond traditional chatbots, marketing copy, and summarizing meeting notes. Why have I started a YouTube channel? Why now? First and foremost, today's software development is in total disarray. People lose jobs and scores, while there's more work to be done than ever. Many technology teams have abandoned decades of accumulated knowledge and are now attempting to rediscover new ways to build software from a single textual prompt. Businesses, on the other hand, are struggling to incorporate AI into their processes without a clear understanding of what is feasible and the associated costs and risks. I've seen it before, during the dot-com bubble, when everyone was building a website for the sake of having a website. Back in the day, this strategy backfired big time. A similar pattern is emerging now, but with AI adoption. The whole concept of coming up with an AI strategy sounds ludicrous to me. Essentially, AI is a sophisticated tool available today, but it is just a tool like a screwdriver. Naturally, no one discusses a screwdriver strategy, but an AI strategy is a must-have today. So why this channel? I plan to share a range of useful tips and explanations. Some of you will muster a better understanding of what AI can and cannot do for your business. Some will find a way to improve their development skills. Some will learn the AI-first architecture patterns and start building better systems. Some will be interested in trying out the tools I've built. I want this channel to be useful and entertaining for everyone. I'd appreciate it if you could post comments and questions. I will do my best to accommodate your interest. As the first topic, I think we should cover what AI can and cannot do, separately for businesses and for software engineers.